My earliest memories of bush food was at Harrods, where I ate snails with my dad. It was just an experience that I can never change in my head.
So Cook and Sonny is all about discovering food through the eyes of the child.
Hi, my name's Jack Wyatt. I'm 8 and I brought my dad here to teach him how to cook.
And I'm Adam Wyatt. I'm the cook, and this is my son.
Why don't we just live today? Tomorrow's too far away. Yeah. Why don't we just live today?
Oh, Jack, look. Look, darling, look. That's a beautiful thing, mate. Prime British set. There we go. Well done. Oh, look at that. You see it underneath, how firm that is?
That is a perfect set. Can I have a bit?
Do you think it smells better because it grows outside? Yeah.
I have no idea. But it probably
That's
does.
amazing. What a lovely find. I think we're going to be cooking.
I think we're going to be cooking a lot.
Look at that, Jack. That's bigger than your head.
That is taller than my... That is bigger than my...
Can you hear it? Listen to it. Hold it really close to your ear, like a shell. Can you hear the forest? No.
Really?
It's cool, eh? Let's cut the bottom off. Where's your knife? Wow. This is a parasol, Jack. Beautiful. See the mushrooms on the thing there?
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, nice. Look, show me. Nice. Wow, Jack, look at that. That's a proper chicken of the woods. Look at it. There we go. Look at that. Let's tip the water out, look. Look at it, Jack. That is one of the finest mushrooms I know, that. Chicken of the woods.
What's called a chicken of the woods?
Well, because it looks like the coxcomb on a chicken. And it holds a really firm flesh when you cook it. And it tastes a bit like chicken in the flesh. Don't eat it. Never eat mushroom raw, remember?
Oh, yeah.
We've got chicken of the woods, we've got some parasols, and we've got some
We got this.
beautiful
Which
seps.
talks to itself.
We're going to make seps on toast, and we're going to make a little omelette with the parasols. And I can't think of any nicer way to eat mushrooms than on a piece of fried bread. So I think we should take our beautiful sep. Now what you do, you just trim off the bottom,
Okay.
and then just scrape that. Look at that, beautiful thing. Never drop it into the oil, that's it. Turn our bread over. No, it's lardo, which is the back fat from a pork belly, which we're going to lay over the top of the hot seps and just make them, the hot seps, melt the lardo. Have a try. That's it. Oh, look at those lovely mushrooms. Yeah, it's fatty, yeah. But it needs something fatty. Putting it with some acidity is really great. Pop them on our toast, like so. And then we're going to take our lardo, and just one piece, and lay it over the top there. Let's put him down here. Feel how much fiber's in that stem. You just want to break off pieces of the, look at that parasol in the middle, Jack. Take the gills out because they're quite wet. We don't want that. And I'm going to fry some of these pieces of parasol.
Oh.
Let's put a little bit of salt in there, Jack, now, with the mushrooms. So once the mushrooms are cooked, now we're going to crack the egg straight in there. And I'm hopeful that I might be able to make an omelette. Let's just finish that, Jack, with a little bit of carpaccio of seps, right? Good. What a special thing, eh? Going out picking mushrooms has been one of those things in my life, Jack, that has been a real solstice for me. It's been a place of happiness for me for years and years. And I really hope, Jack, that one day you can pick up that bug and you can go pick mushrooms for yourself and have time to yourself and enjoy that solstice of walking around on your own in the woods, and the discovery of a mushroom like that's incredible. I've really enjoyed sharing it with you.
Why don't we just live today?